Welcome to the National Library of Wales here in Aberystwyth, where we've recently opened our latest exhibition entitled Presence, a retrospective look at the work of the sculptor John Meirion Morris. Let's go and have a look around the exhibition.
What inspires me more than anything else is not what I see in nature, but rather what I see in my mind and my imagination. I usually see images, weak images, but they have a special presence about them. And that presence, I call, is a spiritual experience as far as I'm concerned. But as I work on the image, it really becomes a process of going through the experience of death and almost an insight into life, if you like, from a spiritual point of view. But if you look at my work, they are frontal. They confront you, looking directly at you. And that's the nature of my work, whatever I do.
When referring to the sculptures of John Meirion Morris, the Archbishop of Canterbury, Dr. Rowan Williams, called them exciting, remarkable, powerful and elegant. The John Meirion Morris exhibition runs from the 28th of February until the 29th of May 2009. The library also boasts a cafe and bookshop, so come along and visit us.